Hi everyone, so I've just come on to show you a little kit that I've made and put in my shop. I'll have a link for it below. So it's Nature's Garden. I did make a journal the other day and I used other things as well, but I mainly used what I'm about to show you. And I did say that I would be putting a little kit together, so I have now finished it and it is now in my shop. So it's the Traveller's Notebook size. I may do the pages with the full size. Sorry, I just finished my dinner. So we have this and this one and this one. Traveller's Notebook size is where's a ruler, just so you know. So if you can print borderless, it will be bigger. Why can't I find the right way around? So it's I just printed this to fit, but you can print it bigger. So I think it's about 20.5 centimeters, and when folded it should be 10, but I've printed mine a little bit smaller. So them 3 pages there, and then we've got some journal tags cards, and then we've got these ones with the tabs. Then we've got these, some library cards, some of these, this where you can cut all them out, and then you have got these. So it's a little 10-page kit, and like I said, the link will be below to the kit if you're interested. And you can check out my other kits, check out my freebies, my Christmas freebies, because there's a few there. So if you do have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye for now.